What if I told you there's now a satellite in orbit that can detect a tree moving just 1 centimeter from 750 kilometers above the earth? One that sees through clouds, tracks earthquakes, melting glaciers, and even crops growing in the fields. Launched by NASA and ISRO, this is NICER, the most advanced radar satellite humanity has ever built, and it just took flight from India. NICER stands for NASA ISRO Synthetic Aperture Radar, a decade-long partnership between two space giants, America's NASA and India's ISRO. Together, they have built the world's first satellite equipped with two radar frequencies, L-band from NASA and S-band from ISRO. It's a technological first and a diplomatic milestone. After years of design, testing, and teamwork across continents, NICER finally launched aboard India's GSLV rocket on July 30th, 2025. Most satellites capture images using cameras, but NICER is different. It uses synthetic aperture radar or SAR, a type of radar that creates incredibly detailed images of Earth by bouncing radio waves off its surface. It can see through clouds, through smoke, and even at night. Why two bands? Because L band can penetrate deep into forests, snow, and ice, while S band captures finer surface detail. Together, they can scan Earth every 12 days, building a continuous map of our dynamic planet. From its polar orbit, it watches land, ice, and forests with centimeter level precision. What can NICER actually do? It tracks earthquakes by detecting ground shifts before and after a quake. It monitors volcanoes, watching bulges that can signal eruptions. It can measure glacier melt, crucial for understanding sea level rise. It maps flood zones, landslides, and coastal erosion in real time. And it helps farmers by monitoring crop cycle, soil moisture, and even plant biomass. From the Himalayas to the Amazon, from California to Assam, NICER is Earth's new guardian. In a world shaped by climate change, data is power, and NICER will provide that power freely to researchers, governments, and communities around the world. Its insights will help us prepare for disasters, manage our natural resources, and adapt to a rapidly changing Earth. This is more than just a satellite. It's a mirror reflecting what's happening to our planet in real time. NICER is a result of science, vision, and cooperation. India and United States have shown what humanity can achieve together. And as this radar satellite begins its silent orbit around Earth, it carries with it a promise that we will not look away from the changes happening to our home. We will watch, we will learn, and we will act. If you found this story inspiring, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it forward. More science, more wonder, coming soon. This is Science Team.